Will you spin? What are you going to be for Halloween? What's your name?
Daisy.
What's your name?
Minnie.
What's your name?
Zoe.
What are you going to be for Halloween?
Minnie.
What does Minnie Mouse do?
I play with her basket.
Yes. What else does she do?
Find her kitty cat.
Find her kitty cat. Does she make bows?
Yeah. And Minnie.